We're here at Midwest Hot Rods for their open house and car show. Welcome to US Classic Muscle Cars. Please enjoy the video. Hi, I'm Mary. I work here at Midwest Hot Rods. I do body and paint, and I'm going to give you a tour of our shop. So this is the mechanical side. This is where we do all of our mechanical work and everything like that. Engine swaps, everything you can think of. This is our 55 Chevy. It has an LS3 in it. It is a full restoration we did. We did the body, paint, everything you can think of. We do all the interior here as well, so the interior is also done by us. The LS is dressed up to look like a small block. She's a candy red. She's a very beautiful car, one of my favorites we have here in the shop, to be honest.
Who painted this?
This was painted, bodywork, paint, and everything was done by Dan. He's one of the owners of the shop. Our interior guy, John, he does all of our in-house interiors here. So, very beautiful looking car. This is our 62 Impala. This is another full-on restoration we did. We did paint, body, interior. It has a 502 big block in it. And it's a wagon, something that you don't see often. But she's definitely beautiful. She's another one of my favorites. These two are actually going to be going home soon, so sad to watch them go, but you know, love to watch them leave. So this is our upholstery side here. Here at Midwest, we do all of our in-house own upholstery. We have our upholstery, we have a body shop side, we have our mechanic side, and then we have our paint side. We also do metal fabrication, so that's on the paint side. Over here we have the 67 Mustang with the Coyote in it. The red one is what I painted, and then our 70 Mach 1 here is Paul over there is another owner of the shop. He painted this one, but these are two of our cars that are getting close to finished and out of here. So very excited. But yeah, this is our shop. This is our 67 Mustang convertible. I painted it. I did not do the bodywork, but I painted it. It is sitting on a Roadster shop chassis, and it is currently going, it has a Coyote swap. So very big motor, not a lot of room, so tight squeeze, but she's in here for upholstery, and then she's going to be going home. She's leaving us here soon. So, oh yeah, exactly. Sad. Thank you, US Classic Muscle Cars, for coming out to our show and filming us and letting us show you around. So if you are looking for any of our services, say you want upholstery, bodywork, paint, or get a car done, you can find us on Facebook at Midwest Hot Rods Inc. And then we are also on Instagram at Midwest_Hot Rods Inc. And we are located in Plainfield, Illinois.